Good morning, everybody. So today I got a Nexbelt in the mail, and I just want to show you how it works and how to set it up. So if you guys aren't familiar with Nexbelt, they actually started as a golf belt company in 2010 and quickly became a gun belt solution. So I love these belts because they come in a variety of different belts, different buckles, and the best part is most of them are interchangeable. So it's one size fits all. You can see it's quite large, definitely too big for me. And so you do actually have to cut it to size, but which is great because you can cut it to, fit your waist, fit your gun, most importantly. So let's go through that. The belt is pretty stiff. You see you have your ratchets up here. This is, I believe, proprietary to Nexbelt. And then you have your buckle here. So first we're going to take the buckle off. Measure twice, cut once, right? So the most important thing is we're going to keep the ratchet side, and these are the size, you can see there's measurements here where you're actually going to cut. So what I always recommend is to put it on and figure out the length that you actually want to go. Make your mark, double check it, and then cut. And most importantly too, you want to account for your gun being in your pants if that's how you actually choose to wear your belt, because obviously that's going to take up a couple inches to your waistline. So I will probably make my cut at, go 37, make sure it's a little bit longer. I have a pair of good shears here. And go 37. All right, here's my length that I'm going to start with. These everyday carry belts do come with some set screws that you can also put in place. This just has a little bit added security to make sure that it stays in place. So you can see here we have the teeth. So it goes in just like that. Push that down. See, it's already pretty secure, but you can add those set screws in just to really make sure it's nice and secure. Love that sound, right? So here's 37, my pistol right here. See, what's great about this belt too is that I can actually just, if I am not wearing my pistol, which is rarely, I can ratchet the belt to fit my waistline. Sometimes I have higher fitting pants, sometimes I have lower waisted fitting pants. So, that's also a benefit to the ratchet system as well. So there we have it. To me, this is a little long. I probably want the end of the belt to be somewhere here. So I'm going to go ahead and knock it down about 4 more inches. once this clamp bites down here, it's a little bit difficult just to flip it back up. So I'm just going to use a screwdriver. I don't want to break a nail. All right, and so I'm going to go down to about 33 inches. There we go. So there's without it. It's about right kind of where I wanted it here. I want to put my pistol in. Ta-da! So if you haven't actually checked out Nexbelt, you really should. They make a variety of different belt combinations with buckles. You can interchange the buckles and the belts. This is one of them that I would view as more of a more fashion belt, but again, they're still pretty stiff. You still can everyday carry with it. This is another one that I have. I can put this buckle on this belt, no problem, totally interchangeable. Carbon fiber. And these buckles are really easy to operate. Love that sound. You have a little lever right here. You just lift up. Simple as that. Thanks for watching, guys. I will add the link to Nexbelt in my description, and have a great day.